Hello guys, welcome back to Java Decoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar, and today in this video we will talk about how we can install the JDK by using the Homebrew in the MacBook. So let's get started. So I have already prepared the few commands to install the JDK. So let me first open the terminal. I have opened the terminal. Let me zoom it a bit so that it will be readable. I hope it is readable now. Okay, firstly let's verify the Java version. So in my case currently it is not installed the Java or JDK in my MacBook, right? So let's try to install. So I have a few commands to install the JDK. So before that, these are the commands for to uninstall the JDK. In the previous video we have already covered how we can uninstall the JDK in the MacBook. So if you did not watch that video till now, I will provide the link in the description so that you can watch it from now in the description. Okay, so let's start. In this video we are going to install the JDK via the Homebrew. So if the Homebrew it is not yet installed in your machine, to install Homebrew first it is a prerequisite to for that we need to execute this command in the terminal. After Homebrew it's got installed successfully, then you can try to install the JDK. So in my case the Homebrew is already installed, or setup is already done. So I'm not going to execute this command because the Homebrew is already set up in my MacBook. So I'm directly installing the JDK. So for that we need to run this command. So just copy the brew, install openjdk 24, go to the terminal and paste it here and run it. So now the openjdk 24 is downloading is getting started. It will take a few couple of seconds or minutes, depends on your internet speed. So let's once it is complete, we will set the JDK path. So yeah, it is already installed successfully. So let's set the path. To set the environment path, we need to execute this command, copy and go to here and paste it. So the echo export path, here we need to provide the openjdk Homebrew, where we have already installed the openjdk 24, which is the latest version of the Java for now, and now it's executed. So our JDK installation is done. Let's verify by executing the Java version. So here, wow, as we can see now the openjdk version 24 it is installed successfully. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.